Hi, it's Queen Bubbles, and I'm back in here. I'm here with my niece. Somebody was mad because I called her a worker. Are you mad at me when I call you my worker?
No.
Okay. Y'all need to chill out, though. For real. Talking about you should have called her something better. Okay. But we about to go drop this off. My other niece, she in the back, but you're going to see her once we set this up. But let me get back to the navigation. I see y'all back. Hold on.
Huh?
See when I get back from dropping this one off. Now the video want to take. Excuse me.
Looks pretty good.
Thank you.